to me, Charlotte.
Yeah, what do you have to say?
Charlotte, come back to talking to me.
Charlotte, ooh, smile for the camera. Where's your happy noises? Where are your happy noises?
You want to see if she'll try this?
Yeah. You want to try this? Sucky, sucky. Mmm. Mmm.
Hi, Sammy.
That feel good, huh?
She likes it?
I think so.
Oh, I think she does too. We think Charlotte likes it.
Yeah.
Wow.
See, that's what Oliver was doing earlier. Totally made her happy. Hi, Sammy.
Oh, honey, sucky, sucky.
Nom,
Mmm. Mmm. Okay, hold on. Sammy, Sarah, Abby, Oliver. Can't see him.